Children, lesson number 6 you are learning now about hunter-gatherers. Now we are going to learn about hunter-gatherers. The last class we studied the earliest people and the life of that people. Hunter-gatherers means they hunt the animals and food also. From forest they collect all edible products. Several groups of people sustain themselves by hunting and gathering food in different parts of the world. Several groups of people. So these earliest people lives in groups and they move in groups from one place to another. In the last class we discussed it. For hunting and gathering they moved in groups. These several groups identified in different parts of the world. In our state, the Yanadis and Chenchu lived in this manner. The earliest people who are living in our state, the Yanadis and Chenchu. So these are living in groups. Scholars have tried to live among them and understand their lives. So scholars try to live among that people and they want to know the lifestyle and their habits. They want to know the habits. So they try to live among them. From many such studies done all over the world, so many tried to live among that people and understood about the life of that Chenchu and Yanadis. There is a picture in textbook. You see in that picture, you can identify the Yanadis and Chenchu picture given in your textbook. Okay, if you observe that the people Chenchu, see that once, and shared living. Early people lived in groups. Already I said early people lived in groups. So in these people, women and men participate in hunting. Women and men participate in hunting. Women and children more active. Women and children more active in gathering food. These women and children are more active in gathering food and hunting small animals. Okay, large animals are hunted by men. I will show you the Chenchu people in the textbook. Here, see, these are the people, Chenchu hunter-gatherers. These are the Chenchu hunter-gatherers. Observe these pictures. Okay, here also given one more picture. Page number 50. If you have textbook, open the textbook page number 50 and see the hunter-gatherers, Chenchu people in this textbook. Okay. Next come to the shared living. We read that early people lived in groups and they move from one place to another place in groups. Which people move from one place to another place, those are called nomads. So these people moves from one place to another for search of food. Women and men are participated in hunting very actively. Women and children more active in gathering food from forest areas and hunting small animals. They hunt small animals, but large animals take more time to hunt. It takes much time. So men take this to hunt large animals. Men take more active part. Hunter-gatherers shared the food they collected. These hunter-gatherers shared that food which they collected from forest among all the people. Those which they are living in that area, they collect that food and share that food to all the people those who are living in that area, because they are living in groups. They did not have a variation between them. There was not much scope for storage of food. If they collect more food, if the excess food is remained, but they did not have any jars or tins to store that food. We have jars and or tins to store the food if we have excess, but they did not have jars or tins in the days, because they moved from one place to another. They did not remains there. So because of that, there is no scope for storage of food, which they collect, and whatever they hunt, they have to take that or divide that among the people. They did not have any rich or poor among them. They all are equal. Hunter gatherers all are equal. They did not have rich or poor differences among them. They are equal in group. They had a great respect for the forests, and they give the great respect for forests, rivers, lakes, trees, because they are living in forests, and they are worshipping. They worshipped that as God, nature God. They worshipped the forests and trees, rivers as nature God. So the forest give for them whatever they want, the products fulfill, the nature fulfill the hunter gatherers with that food. Okay, this is the life of the hunter gatherers. Hunter gatherers lives in groups and moves in groups from one place to another. These are called nomads. That life is nomadic life. Women and children also participates in gathering food items in forests to collect honey, fruits, flowers, tubers. Women and children also participate in that, and they hunt small animals also. To hunt large animals, men participate. Men hunt the large animals, and whatever they collected that food, they shared among the people. How many are there? They shared that people among them. There was not much scope for storage of food, because they did not have any containers to store the food as we have. So they have to divide and distribute the food whatever they brought. They did not have any rich or poor differences among them. All are equal in group, and they worship the forests as nature God. They also protect the forests. These hunter gatherers. Which are hunter gatherers? Several groups of people sustain themselves by hunting and gathering food in different parts of the world. Which type of people are seeing in our state? Chenchus and Yanadis. So scholars try to live among that people and to understand the lives of that people. Here given in this picture already I showed you, and this food they are dividing this food in the group. Okay children.